Latency reduction can occur in two different ways. For LEO satellites, it's about time from collect to the next satellite downlink pass. This can be reduced by geographic diversity of the ground stations, which is something that Freedom GSAS specializes in through its federated network and system architecture. Need a new ground station? We can flip a switch with zero configuration changes on your end to give you more coverage and get your data faster. For GEO data backhaul, this can be improved by providing faster and more reliable ISP connections. Because of our system architecture, changing the ISP has no effect on our customers. Why? Because all data moves through a virtual private cloud, which allows us to make upstream changes to our architecture without affecting the end user. For Freedom, switching to a direct connection, fiber, satellite, or any novel backhaul solution is simple and pain-free to our customers.